EagleRidge, Utah provides exceptional bathroom remodeling services for homeowners in North Salt Lake, Utah 84054, ensuring high-quality transformations that enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Whether you're looking for a modern upgrade or a complete renovation, our expert team delivers precision craftsmanship tailored to your needs. We specialize in a wide range of services, including the installation of tubs, showers, sinks, toilets, mirrors, fixtures, lighting, cabinets, and tile. Every project is handled with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring long-lasting quality and a seamless finish. Our goal is to enhance your bathroom's efficiency, increase your home's value, and create a comfortable, stylish space. From demolition to the final installation, we manage all aspects of your remodel, including plumbing, electrical work, waterproofing, and flooring. We also offer smart technology integration, heated flooring, and accessibility modifications such as grab bars and walk-in tubs. Our comprehensive approach guarantees a hassle-free experience from start to finish. For homeowners in North Salt Lake, EagleRidge, Utah is committed to timely completion, professional service, and customer satisfaction. Whether it's a minor upgrade or a full-scale renovation, we tailor every project to meet your specific requirements and design preferences. Call EagleRidge, Utah today at 801-784-1457 to schedule a consultation and bring your dream bathroom to life. Let our team turn your vision into reality with expert remodeling solutions designed for both beauty and functionality.